Well, I got a new set of horns. What I had before was the FIAMM AM80S model, which has been the most common stock horn on modern vehicles. Virtually all Fords, Chevys, recent Dodges, Jeeps, Volvos, Range Rovers, BMWs, Infinitis, and even some Japanese makes come stock with the FIAMM AM80S. Then a couple of years ago, FIAMM added a new horn model to their lineup, the AM80SX, which looks almost the same, but is supposedly louder and performs better in temperature extremes, with a more consistent sound among different ambient temperatures. Ford started installing this new model of horn in some of their recent models. As you know, horns are usually installed in pairs, a high note and a low note. Once I installed these new horns, they actually seemed a little less loud than what I had before. But not to worry, horns come with an adjusting screw on the back. I simply turn the screw in each horn counterclockwise a quarter of a turn and voila! The horns were now excellent sounding and were now louder. Here's how the new horns sound after the adjustment. But are they actually louder than the AM80S, as advertised? Not really. They are about as loud as what I had before. However, they don't lose their great sound when the weather is cold, and they do have a more pleasing sound than the previous horns. So, I will be keeping them. Don't forget to subscribe. You do not want to miss out on more excitement.